Welcome to AIPS. Today, we are celebrating International Day as our community comes together to explore cultures from around the world. This event reflects the values of the IB Primary Years program, celebrating diversity and nurturing globally minded students.
I'm very happy with how the whole International Day event turned out. There was so much of teamwork from the parents, teachers, and even the students.
We have a variety of countries being represented by the classes, and it is a wonderful idea to bring the community together and to explore different cultures.
Seeing it all happen gave me that sense of satisfaction. You know, like, we accomplished this, you guys. We created this really cool experience for the kids.
I like Singapore because they have a dual Changi airport and they have Dragon Boat Race Festival.
Celebrating diversity today made me feel very happy because I get to see other cultures and how they do their cultures, and it also gave me more perspective on different people and what they do in the world.
I thought the capital city of Malaysia is Malacca, so I knew that capital city of Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur. To respect other people's cultures, you may go to different countries and they may not do the same things you do at your own culture, but you should always respect them and be open to it.
I think the children had a lot of fun experiencing and exploring every culture.
I enjoyed today. It's because we did so many activities. Konnichiwa!
I'm so happy to be here today for International Festival. Kids are really happy with all the different countries, and everybody did an amazing job, and everybody is just fantastic.
So based on all these countries that I've learned about today, I will try to implement this in my tomorrow's future. For example, in UAE, I learned how to be kind and respectful. Arigato!